Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 11 pounds in 3 days. And this is a secret weight loss recipe, okay? You can have this as a morning green smoothie. This is a powerful weight loss smoothie. It's going to burn the fat in your body. This is going to speed up your metabolism. It's going to increase your energy levels. And of course, when you increase your energy levels, you're going to be losing weight. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video right now. So let me just show you some of the ingredients you're going to need for this awesome, powerful smoothie. Today we're working with our kale, alright? I got 4 stems of kale. I also have in here, and this is all freshly washed, I also have a handful of my spinach, okay? Then I also have my coconut water. We're working with coconut water today, y'all. Alright? As well as some mint leaves. I got like 4, little leaves of mint. An apple. Okay? It doesn't matter which one. The sweeter the better. Okay? And an avocado. Oh my goodness. Listen, y'all. My avocado addiction, I have no idea what happened. I could barely even eat these things. I tried to eat one the other day, and believe me, just that spoon alone, I couldn't do it. Don't ask me what changed, because that used to be my crack, okay? Every day, 2-3 times a day, I was eating avocados. Now, I don't even know. I can't even eat it. Alright, so you're going to need preferably a full-size blender, okay? And we're also going to be needing a measuring cup. So what we're going to do now is put a handful of our spinach, and this was a hefty handful I stuck in here. You're going to throw that inside your blender. Now next we're just going to take the leaves off of our kale. Okay, we don't need the stems. This is hearty. Imagine the fiber in this, y'all. The fiber is awesome. This is going to get you going, and it's going to make you feel full all day. Okay. I know some people get annoyed when they see me doing stuff on camera, and they'll be like, well, why did you pre-prep all of that like some of the other videos? Well, hey, I'm sorry. Alright. So, look at that. It's already filling up our blender. My. Okie dokie. Now what we're going to do is put our mint leaves into our blender. Now, our avocado. Now this avocado has seen better days. I don't know what it looks like in there because it is kind of soft. But try to get and use your avocados fresh. Now this does not look so good, but you know what, we still gonna use it because I don't believe in wasting my avocados. So you're just gonna use half of avocado. You scoop that out and pop that in there, and when they get soft like that, that's the best thing. Throw them in a smoothie. But it's best you have fresh fruits and vegetables. But if it's slightly changing, you can still get away with using it. So now we're going to use our apple. Okay, all we need is half an apple. That's it, right? And take the core and the seed out. We don't need that. Okay. Now I know it's been a while since you guys seen me on camera. I was saying that same thing today. I got to see my peoples, and my peoples got to see me. So I got some videos coming up soon. Alright. And lastly, we're going to be using our coconut water and basically a cup, but that looks like it's going to need more than just 1 cup. So you can use as much coconut water as you would need, because you do not want your smoothie to get too thick where you cannot drink it. Alright, and just throw your cup. And I think I'm going to do 2 cups of my coconut water. That was 1.5 cups. Well, I'm going to just finish it up. Okay. Now the coconut water is going to give it a nice flavor. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to get to blending. I'm going to start off on my low speed just to get the propellers going and not to stress out the engine. Alright. And it is finito. Okay. Oh, the greenery. You just smell all of that chlorophyll. Ah! Okay. Now, you can add some honey if you desire to, you know, just to put some honey in there. But it is not needed, okay? And you got your straw. Now for these straws, for the blenders, check down below in the links, because I got some wonderful, I got some links down there where you can order these if you don't have a blender, or your blender's on the outs and you wanna, don't wanna spend that kind of money, you know, $300-400 on a Vitamix blender. Well, this is a powerful blender. This NutriBullet full size, oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, and I'm not sponsoring. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just saying. Okay, but here you go, you guys. A delicious green morning smoothie. Tastes good. Tastes really good, and it's good for your body. This is what's going to fill you up with a lot of fiber. It's going to make you feel full. You can put this in one of those. I'm gonna show you. Okay. You can take it with you in the morning, you know, put the rest in a blender cup. Alright, take it to work with you. And drink this in the morning. Now this may end up filling you up where you may not want to eat lunch. Alright, and if you don't feel like eating lunch, that's okay. Just drink lots of water, drink your teas, and then when you come home, you have a meal. Now, this is a meal replacement, and like I said, with all this roughage in there, it's going to get you going. It's also going to keep you full longer. You're going to lose weight because this is going to burn the fat off of your body. This is a healthy way of losing weight, all right? You're feeding your body lots of nutrition as well as you're burning off those calories, okay? So y'all, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a journey to try to get snatched for the summer and to change their lifestyle into a better and healthier one. Share these videos with them, okay? Get them on the bandwagon along with you. As well as check down below for the wonderful links, like I mentioned earlier, for the metal reusable straws, the full size and the personal size blender, as well as other stuff. I got some goodies down there. And don't forget to check out my eBay store. The links will be down below as well. All right. And lastly, you guys, if you're into hair and beauty care, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where I showcase all the nice skincare regimens for healthier skin, for flawless skin, as well as hair, because I'm on a hair journey, all right? And we're going to talk more about that over there. And you guys, listen, so many good things is on the way on this channel. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.